and family filled with love. To look at you is to look above. It's so challenging to find a name that's yours, to capture such wonder and allow you to soar. And while there's infinitely more to you than a name alone, we feel this one should be yours to own. The delight you bring lights up the world and makes it sing. So for you we all came together to present this name.
So my soul longeth after thee. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. You alone are my strength, my shield. You alone may my spirit breathe. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. As the deer so my soul longeth after thee. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. You alone are my strength, my shield. You alone may my spirit breathe. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you.